How to change correction factor on Omnipod 5. How to change correction factor on Omnipod 5. Go to the home screen on your Omnipod 5 controller or app. Select Settings. Choose Bolus or Bolus/Basal/Calcs depending on your device interface. Select Ratios/Factors/Targets. Tap on Correction Factor. You can either add new, create a new correction factor segment for a specific time of day, choose Segment and Edit, modify an existing segment, enter the start time and end time for the correction factor segment, input your desired correction factor, e.g., 1 unit per xmg/dl above target. Review your settings on the confirmation screen. If correct, press Confirm. Repeat for additional segments if needed. Up to 8 segments can be set. Press Done, then save to apply your changes. Additional tips. Always review your segments for accuracy after making changes, as these settings impact insulin delivery in both automated and manual modes. If you experience frequent hypoglycemia after a correction bolus, consider weakening the correction factor, e.g., from 150 mg/dl to 1 hour 60 minutes mg/dl. Consult your healthcare provider before making significant adjustments to ensure safety and optimal glucose control.